It's really important in the 21st century to teach your kids how to code, and Kano has a number of interesting toys to help you do that. This one here, coming out in 2019, is the Kano Camera. It's going to be around $99, and you're going to be able to build it yourself. So check this out. This is what the box is going to look like. You actually have to put it together. When it comes out of the box, it will actually have a battery as well. It's an RGB light, and it is a 5-megapixel camera that you can adjust and take pictures by hitting this button. But it's not just a camera, it's programmable. So over here, you have the Kano software, and it allows you to program different things using a Blockly coding language. So here, for example, is a GIF factory, and you see it's actually been programmed here using block-based coding. And with it running, I can take a little picture, and then I can transform it into a GIF here using the software. There are other neat little things on here. There's like a pixelate one. There's one where you can have it so that when you clap, it will take a photo. But the point of this isn't pure photography. The point of it is really to teach kids about programming through giving them something really neat to play with. So that's just a quick look at the Kano camera here at CES 2018.